What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a RAM smart key. This smart key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we're also going to need a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button here. That's going to allow the emergency key to slide out like that, and we can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our flathead screwdriver and we look where we just took that key out of, and just above that there's a little slot right there. We're going to put our flathead screwdriver in that and then just rotate it, and that'll pop the front up like that. Once you have that the first piece off, the front, you can use your screwdriver to help you get this next piece started. That'll come off like that. And then we can just grab the button pad that has the circuit board in it. From here, we'll just use our finger to get the battery out. Take our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Okay. Once you have your new battery installed, we're going to grab the back and we're going to place this on there. Make sure that that rubber piece is around that little plastic ridge right here, on the outside of it, I should say. Once you have that seated on there, we'll grab this piece, set on there and push down, and then we can grab the front and snap that on. Slide our emergency key back in that we took out in the beginning, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.